Hi guys, welcome to Elevate Your Career with Coco. Thank you so much for being here. I look crusty, I know. But in today's video, guys, we'll be doing, actually, good news is that Unisa has currently opened their short learning courses. Yes, short learning programs. And if you're that girl, you just want to do your short course, you don't want to go back to school, this video is for you. And if you're that girl that did not make it to any university and you want to keep yourself busy, this video is for you. So guys, I'll be taking you through the steps on how you can apply for a short course at Unisa. Stay tuned and let's go. We are going to start by logging in, as you're going to type Unisa application. After that, it's going to take you to the next page and you're going to press apply. And this is the page you're going to see. And you're going to see undergraduate qualification, honors, masters. We are focusing on short learning programs. You're going to select that, and this is the new page it's going to take you at. And you're going to say view the short learning programs. You just scroll down, you'll see this option. These are the programs, and then you're going to say all programs so that you see a list of them and you get to select which one you want. You can open each and every program just to see what are the requirements, what courses are they giving, depending on your interest, Yeah, just go through. Let me quickly show you an example by selecting one of the programs here. I will select the public administration, which is this one. As you can see, it's for 6 months. These are the modules that you can do under this course. You can just go through all those things. Then if you are happy with it, you're going to proceed to say apply now. You can also check how much the fees will be. And you press apply now and you're going to select short learning programs, and then it's going to ask you, do you have a student number? And for just this video, we're going to say no for first time people, and then you're going to fill in your surname, your name, date of birth, and then you're going to continue. After that, after continuing, then it's going to take you to the next page, and this is the page. Select the type of course. Guys, when it comes to here, you can explore, like play around with everything, check, be sure, play around with everything until you find the perfect course that you are happy with, or perfect program that you are happy with. Just scroll around until you are happy. Just check. Some programs are closed, some are open, so go through each and every college just to make sure that you are doing the right course and you are happy with your choice and everything. Just for the sake of this video, I am going to just select a course under business leadership, and yeah, all those things. I'll select whatever course I want that aligns with the interest of the person that I'm applying for, right? And then good to go. We're going to continue. Then after submitting, this is what you're going to see. After that, you continue. This is the page you're going to see. And you have to fill in your date of birth, the gender, disable, all those information. After that, you have to fill in your cell phone numbers, your emails, all those information. Make sure you read. On your right hand side, they give you an example on how you must fill in the information. And for all these questions, please answer no, because if you don't have an auntie working at Unisa, and if you are not a prisoner, just say no. Everything, please just select no. Do you intend to apply for subject? Just say no. Select no for everything and fill in your information. Make sure all the information that you're filling in is in the correct order, and you continue. It's gonna take you here, which they will want your address. On your right hand side, as I said, there are instructions. Like, read the instructions. Lena was not reading the instructions, I was just doing, but I corrected myself after that. I read the instructions and I put in, you start with your street number, house number, and then you put your street name. Underneath, you're going to put your suburb, and then postal address. You're going to search with your suburb or town, and that's it. And then it's the same with your physical. You continue, and we are good to go. And it's gonna take you. This is how you search. You see, you just type in suburb. I'm gonna give you a sample. I typed in Soshanguve, and then it showed me maybe the postal code that I'm busy looking for. Right? Yep. And this is how you do it. Just make sure you read through everything that you are doing to be certain and to be sure about what you are doing. That is the most important part of all these things that we are doing right now. Read everything. There's instructions on your right hand side of every situation. Anyway, we continue and we're gonna come here. Just please take note that everything I'm showing you here is just an example. Nah, yeah, if you are colored, you are African, you select for the sake, if you know that you're in grade 12 and you just write unemployed, like other. If you can't find unemployed, just say other. But in most cases, please just say unemployed or I'm a student. If there's an option for student, make sure you put in everything the way it is. But if you have maybe a degree, a what you can put in your information. If you are a manager somewhere, that can help you also be accepted for the program, because it means you'll be boosting your skills as a manager or as a boss, as a CEO, or whatever the case might be. Ne? So yeah, moving on, it's going to take you here. Please select if you're in grade 12, 11, you passed with what, high certificate, diploma, whatever, or you in grade 10, whatever grade you at. Please fill in those information and make sure that you read your information. This will be the next step that will follow. Make sure that you fill in all this information, and we go to the next page. This is the last page where you're going to select, upload your ID, your CV, your matric results, your qualifications. Upload anything. You can upload as much as you can, and you submit, and you are done. Alright guys, thank you. Oh, I look so bad. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I wanted to tell you. Please go apply if you see the need to. If you don't want to, it's okay. And thank you so much for watching. And for some of you who are not subscribing but are watching, aren't you guilty? Aren't you guilty? Please be guilty. Anyway, to those that love me, I love you more, and I will see you on my next one. Stay blessed. Bye.